Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1-minute English videos. If you enjoy this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and please do check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online language lessons we offer. Like many teachers out there, I'd imagine, I always have mixed emotions at this time of year. I'm talking to you, I'm making this video on September the 14th, at the start of a new academic year. And on the one hand, I do love planning ahead. I like having lots of new projects on the go. It's always exciting to start new classes and to meet all my new students. But at the same time, I realise that Christmas is a hell of a long way off. It's over 3.5 months to Christmas at the moment. And the days are getting shorter, the weather's getting colder and darker. And as I speak at this moment here in North London, it's pelting with rain outside. So we have all of that to look forward to. I also know that in the coming weeks and months, the work will start to catch up with me. And often, by the time I get to Christmas, I'm just ready to collapse, basically. I usually spend the first few days of my Christmas holiday laid up in bed, exhausted, maybe with a bit of a cold or something. If you say that the work catches up with you, or starts to catch up with you, you mean that it begins to have a negative effect on you. So maybe, you work really hard over a long period of time, but after a while it just starts to catch up with you and you start to feel really shattered, really wiped out, really frazzled. In the same way, if you're a young parent and your kids are keeping you up at night, the lack of sleep starts to catch up with you after a while. If you're an ageing celebrity or ageing rock star, after a while the partying, the drink and the drugs start to catch up with you and you suddenly start showing your age. Ultimately, for all of us, sadly, whether we like it or not, time catches up with us and takes its toll. On that cheerful note, I should say that if you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button, the thumbs up sign below. It helps more people see what we do. Share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below, we'd love to see examples of how you think you might use start to catch up with.